I want to talk about this weed eater line that Full Meat sent me to do a video on. See right here, this is a whole lot of weed eater line. This thing is 2,000 feet, so you've got a lot of grass to weed whack, a lot of weeds to beat down, a lot of trimming to do, and this is going to get you through a lot of it. You can see right here, this is going to be perfect for the job that's light to medium, and it's great. You can see right here, it comes with its own, you see that little red cutter right there, so you keep that right in there, and you'll never have to search for scissors or utility knife or whatever the case, you'll always have it available. And taking a look right here at the string, you can see right here, this is perfect size for light and medium jobs, and this goes with pretty much every major brand of weed whacker you're going to find out there, from Dewalt, Ryobi, pretty much all of them. This is going to do the trick for you. I think I'm going to get a ton of use out of this stuff. If you'd like to pick some up for your yard, click on the link in the description below.